Our primary goal, and as a Skype for Business certified partner in the Skype Operation Framework, we've built our practices around really aligning to the customer's needs, and we come alongside and we really start with envisioning, assessing where the customer is so that we can help them plan for the future. That means taking a look at what they do on a day-to-day basis, from office workers, people in manufacturing facilities, mobile workers. How do they communicate today? Where do they want to go? What's going to help their business be more competitive when they go to Skype for Business? Also, we look at the infrastructure. What does their cable plant look like? What does their network look like? Is it set up for quality of service? Are the configurations ready to handle a lot of voice calls over their network? But we want to make sure that the experience for that customer's customers is seamless from site to site and across the globe.